guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, this is chapter 55, titled Reason for Avoidance. Let's start reading. Knock knock. Knock. 3 times eh. Anything? Bakit kaya lagi pa rin siyang naka-crouch? Tataka pa rin siya dun sa mga condoms and everything na nasa box niya eh. She's fiddling with that kid again. Here, this will help reduce your fever. Oh. Wala siyang idea kung ano yung nasa box, ano. At ininom niya without any thoughts. Sabagay, maaamoy naman niya kung ano, diba? Kasi magaling naman siya dun. Ma-identify niya yung gamot na nakahalo dun sa bowl. Thank you. It's okay. Xiao Neng Shang will come to change a fresh dressing for your wound. Nabulol pa ako. I do think thank you for the herbal medicine. I thank you for changing a fresh dressing for my wound last night. Busted! Sorry ka, boy. Nahuli ka kaagad. Oh yeah. Aba, nag-i-imagine na ang ating It's okay. Diba? Halata namang may gusto na talaga siya. Rigid. Hindi na tuloy makalakad. Ang maayos. Well, he saw it all. Mag-asawa naman kayo. Anong problema nun? Saw what? Yeah. What did he saw? Well, they're married. So what's wrong with it? Kung sabihin sila yung mag-avoidan. My cheeks are burning. Whew. Those were all new for him. Kasi wala naman siyang boyfriend, wala siyang ibang nakarelasyon. Kasi he's been studying. He's a scholar, right? A genius. This is a serious wound. Who applied the medicine for you? Serious wound? Tapos, suddenly, he got married. Hindi pa sila panic. I'll go fetch some water. Oh? Kaya naninibago talaga siya, Someone's knocking on the door. I'll go check it. And sino bang nasa door? Hi? Who are you? I'm Li, the president of Tanshan University, at Tanshan Academy. Di pala university sa kanila, academy pala. Is Xiao Liulang here? Si Liulang yung hinahanap. Oh, Mr. President, Liulang went to fetch water. Didn't you meet him on the way here? Stay here, I'll get him back for you. Pinaghintay po si Mr. President. No need. Is Zhao home? Bakit si Zhao yung nahanap niya? Oo nga pala, si Zhao yung tumulong sa kanya. So si Zhao talaga ang una niyang sadya ever since. Si Liu lang, parang help na lang niya, pero without knowing na he's a scholar and one of the Marcos as well. Is there anything special that brings you here today? Wait, Peach. You have visited my mother several times, and I have not properly thanked you yet. The peach trees in the backyard have borne fruit. Danan niya ng thanks. Thank you gift. And my mother insisted that I bring some to you. Oo, si grandma, tama. Due to her advanced age, she sometimes forgets how many sons she has. But she has always remembered you. Diba? Nakalimutan niya yung sarili niyang anak, pero hindi niya makalimutan si Zhao. How many? I am the youngest of 5 brothers. And my older brothers have all been in the capital for many years without seeing us. Oh, that's the reason why. Kinalimutan niya yung mga anak niya kasi di naman pala nagpapakita sa kanya. Satisfied with the peaches. I see. Thank you for coming all this way. Please give my regards to your mother. Mhm. There's one more thing I want to talk about. It's concerning Liu Lang. Ooh, what's all about Liu Lang? What's wrong with Liu Lang? You already know about his imperial examinations, but there's something else that you may not know. What is it? Ay, napostuloy siya. Ano kaya yun? He had a chance to become a scholar who had come first in all 3 rounds of the imperial examinations. But someone bribed the examiner and switched his exam paper, causing him to fail the 3rd round. Oh. So magiging scholar ka pag magiging top ka on the 3 examination. Oh. Sino kaya yung nagbayad talaga, ano? The matter of Liu Lang's re-examination is crucial, and I am not sure why he did not take it again. Kasi madadama yung iba. Perhaps he did not want to, or perhaps the authorities intervened. Did he mention this to you? Kasi nagpabayad na lang siya eh. Hindi na siya nag-exam, tsaka ayaw na din naman talaga yung maging scholar. No. Alam niya kung gaano ka-crucial ang imperyo. It's not surprising, given his character, when he mentioned the provincial examination to him before. Especially when he heard that he had to hurry to the capital after passing them. His face darkened. Kasi nga sinumpa na niya ang capital. That's the truth. I'm not sure if this is right, but it seems like he didn't study hard before, possibly to avoid going to the capital for the final examination. Yeah, that's the point. Ayaw niya nga, di ba? He doesn't want to go to the capital? Ayaw niya nga. Charet. Colette, Miss Go, I should take a leave now. Bye, Mr. President. Gusto, kita niyo yan, kahit si Mr. President, okay lang maglakad. Tapos yung ngayon, ano ngayon, dapat nakasasakyan talaga. Tapos may mga bodyguard pa. There hasn't been much progress on Zhao's side either. Is Leland really going to be held back in this place forever? Actually, nasa taas naman siya before. Bigla yung bagsak niya dahil sa mga tao. And wala na siya pakialam dun. Oh. A kid? Are you alright? Does it hurt? Ano ba naman yung suot niya yan? Kita puwet. Kalbo pa. Why is this kid staring at me? Stare. Parang nangungusap yung mata niya. Baka biglang tawaging papa niya. Go! Father! Naging ama pa bigla. Sorry, my kid is just too young. It's okay. Scoop up. Pero parang hawig sila, no? Sorry, and bye, sir. Father. Since when did you start to call everyone father? Your father may be alive, but he can't be Mr. President. Sino ba kasing ama niyan? With every step we force ahead. Ano ba yung father? Gu, you really need to shut up. Pati si Mr. President. Pero hawig sila, in fairness. Alas. I'm afraid I'll never be able to become a father in my lifetime. Father! Not your father. Father! I said he was not. Don't say that again. What is wrong with you? Father. O siya talaga father niya. Say that again. Galit na siya. And you may get hunted by your real father. Tinakot pa yung bata. Si Fly. What is that? Ano ba to? Peak. Marcus. Is this... What is that? Marcus lagi yun nakalagay, no? Baka si Mr. President talaga yung father niya. Mr. Lee visited us. Ang dami niyang kinuhang water. Nakaya niya yun kahit nahihirapan siyang maglakad. I know. I met him on the way back. Don't you want to know what we talk about? What? You kept a mistress in the capital. What? Not true. Which part? The mistress. He denies the mistress part. But not the capital part. Kasi nga ayaw niya nga bumalik doon. Oh? Usually when the people hear that, they will say, I have never been to the capital. How is it possible that I kept a mistress there? Ang talino talaga ni Jiao. You said the mistress thing was not true. So you went to the capital before? Uh-oh, busted. Yeah, so what? How did you get the traffic permit? Serious. I also have a question for you. Ano na naman yan? Magbabaliktaran kayo eh. What is inside your kit? Yung sakit. Di pa pala siya ka-move on dun. Will you please explain to me? Malalaman niya yung mga gamot na nandun. Yun pa naman yung lumabas ng time na he was a rose, diba? Where did you get that kit? Tell me. Binaliktad niya yung sa matalino din yung isang to talaga eh. I'll tell you how I got the traffic permit. Right, that's the end of this chapter. Let's see what will happen in the next one. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Thank you for reading with me, everyone. Until the next chapter.